How to switch to live mode on 4T Trader. After practicing in demo mode, switching to live mode is the exciting step where you can trade with real funds. So in order to do that, first of all, launch open 4T Trader app on your smartphone and make sure you're logged in. From the home page of 4T Trader, go ahead and click on the account button at the bottom right corner. And from your account page, you will see a switch to live account option. Tap on that. Now you need to go ahead and confirm your information for your live account. Enter some of the information in the text boxes that has been prompted. After typing down your credentials on the next page, complete your registration, enter your home address, nationality, identification type, and also you need to enter your financial and trading info. Enter all of the answers in the questions given below and follow through the instruction. Complete your identity verification and you'll then be able to enter the live mode. After completing the identity verification, it will take some time for the approval. Once it is approved, you can easily explore the real market, make trade easier, make real trades, and use everything you learned in demo mode. So that is how you switch to live mode in 4T Trader application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.